In this video, you'll learn how to delete your purchase history on eBay. This guide explains how to manage your order visibility effectively while understanding the limitations of the platform. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the My eBay section, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the home page. From the drop-down menu, click on Purchase History to see a list of all your past orders. Identifying the orders you want to hide is essential, as eBay does not permit the permanent deletion of purchase history. Recognizing this limitation is vital for effective account management. Next, locate the specific order you wish to hide. You will see an option labeled More Actions next to each order. Click on this option to reveal a menu. From this menu, select the Hide Order option if it is available. After selecting this option, you will need to confirm your action. This step ensures that the order is removed from your visible list. Keep in mind that the order will still be retained in eBay's internal records. This feature is beneficial for decluttering your account view, allowing you to keep track of only the orders you wish to see. After hiding the desired orders, refresh your purchase history page. This action will help you verify that the orders you selected are no longer visible in your main view. It is important to note that hiding an order does not erase it permanently. Hidden orders can still be referenced for returns or disputes if necessary. Understanding how to manage the visibility of your purchase history contributes to better organization of your account. You may want to periodically monitor your purchase history to ensure that your hidden orders remain out of sight. If you decide to unhide an order in the future, you can follow a similar process to make it visible again. Keeping your account organized enhances your overall eBay experience and simplifies future transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.